If Safari is restricted on your iPhone, okay, you're probably going to want to fix screen time settings right here. Oh, great. Let me help break down what you have to have and what you're going to want to do ahead. First, check if Safari is missing. Go ahead and open Settings over here. Tap Screen Time, and then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Allowed Apps and Features, and enter the screen time passcode if asked. Make sure Safari is turned on. Check your home screen, because Safari should already be back. Now, if Safari is there, but websites are blocked, you gotta adjust web restrictions. Go ahead and open Settings and tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then tap App Store Media, Web, and Games or Content Restrictions, depending on your iOS. Tap Web Content and select Unrestricted. Look for the Never Allow list at the bottom and delete any site you would like to access. This helps make up adequate browsing access. If you want to remove everything at once, you can go ahead and turn off all restrictions. Open Settings and tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle it off. This will probably remove all limits on Safari already. Okay, if you forgot the screen time passcode, don't worry. You can tap Forgot Passcode and reset it using the Apple ID that was used to set it up. You gotta have that login to move ahead. Now, if options are grayed out, this usually means family sharing or a management profile is controlling the phone. Go ahead and check Settings and then General, and then VPN and Device Management. If you see a profile, you would have to call on the parent or administrator to remove it. Ask them to do it if required. Also, look for lockdown mode just in case. Go ahead and open Settings and tap Privacy and Security. If lockdown mode is on, turn it off, because it can bring in heavy Safari limits even on cheap, basic browsing. Anyways, that's the full breakdown to help you turn off Safari restrictions on iPhone. Keep these steps in mind. Go after the one that fits your situation, and if you have any other questions, ask if required.